Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're working on presentations in PowerPoint 2025, you know how important it is to make your slides flow smoothly. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link slides, so you can jump from one section to another with just a click. This feature is a game changer for creating interactive and professional-looking decks. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up PowerPoint 2025 and either create a new presentation or open an existing one. Make sure you have at least a couple of slides to work with. Now, think about where you want to add a link. Maybe on a button, an image, or some text. For example, let's say you have a main menu slide and you want to link to a specific section. Step 1. Select the object or text you want to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a shape, a picture, or even a word. Once selected, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Look for the Link button. It's usually right there in the Links group. Click on it, and a dialog box will pop up. In the dialog box, you'll see options for what you want to link to. Choose Place in this document to link within your presentation. A list of your slides will appear. Scroll through and select the one you want to jump to. You can even add a screen tip for extra guidance, like a hover text that says, "Go to slide 5." Hit OK, and you're all set. To test it, switch to slideshow mode by pressing F5 or clicking the slideshow tab. Click on your linked object, and voila, you'll seamlessly transition to the linked slide. Pretty cool, right? A few quick tips. Always preview your presentation to catch any broken links, and remember that linking works best with clear, descriptive text to keep it accessible. If you're using this for a large presentation, consider adding a back link to return to the original slide. There you have it. Linking slides in PowerPoint 2025 is straightforward and can take your presentations to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.